On April 6, 1896, the first modern Olympics begin. According to tradition, the ancient Olympics start in 776 BC in ancient Greece. They are held at Olympia every 4 years for more than 1,000 years. In the 19th century, the idea of reviving the ancient Olympic Games is proposed by French educator and historian Baron Pierre de Coubertin, who believes in the power of sport to promote peace and unity among nations. In 1896, Coubertin helps make his vision a reality. The first modern Olympics are staged in Athens, Greece, bringing together athletes from 14 countries. The opening ceremony is a sight to behold, with 80,000 in the stands and the athletes aligned on the field. 43 events are held in 9 different categories, including track and field, cycling, swimming, and gymnastics. Thus, the tradition of the Olympic Games is reborn, inspiring generations of athletes to strive for excellence.